Hey guys, just thought I'd pop in and show you what's going on. So today I put in a few more hours looking at what's going on here. Before we start, let's recap. So this is, I think it's a 2010 Ford Fusion. It's highest trim level, I believe. Fusion SEL. It is, I think it's a 3.0 V6. I know pitifully little about this car. But here's what we got inside: leather seats, all the razzmatazz. I think it's a digital dash. Yeah, it's that one right there. So once again, this is a no start issue. You turn the key to cranking, and it doesn't crank. So one of the few problems we need to address before we dive into the wiring here is a transmission oil leak. And what we got here is Ford wants us to use this. And back here I have a box full of this takes LV. I don't know. It's probably Roman numerals. I gotta take a minute to think that over. I haven't been in school for a long time, you know. So here's a transmission pan, and it is oriented. Let's walk over here and give you guys a squint. So first of all, this area here is where the cover goes. The cover sits like this, and right here in this hole is where the tranny plug comes through. Actually, here's the plug. So this pan sits on here like boom. And get the gasket here for you. And this $50 item here is a gasket. It's a triple lip seal. Goes right around here. Bada boom, bada boom. And that'll, oops, we got the heater going again. So that will, let me shut that heater off for a minute. Oh, that feels good. Alright, get rid of that noise. Kill that noise. So anyhow, you can't see me because I can't flip my camera. And I'm still very annoyed about that, and I've not found a solution as of now. So inside this cover we have this unit here that sits on what essentially is the valve body for this, and the two gray spots here. I'm gonna have to get down here with the camera, let you guys see exactly what's what here. So this gray spot here and here is actually a pair of pins that the tranny connector latches onto. So here we go. We got a pair of pins on this side as well as this corner's cracked out. And we have a little nub here. I don't know what the nub's for, but this nub over here is broken once again. So I was afraid this would cause an oil leak, but I do believe that it may not actually be a problem. So over here on this side we have a connector, male spade pair with one bent, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then this connector. So here's one issue. That was that way when I put it apart. So here's another set. And then on the reverse, there's a plug right here. So this panel here, according to Ford, they want $1,300 for it. Somebody's just got to stop dropping numbers over there at Ford. That's ridiculous. So, in the box here I have the new pan, which looks like that pan except not bent. This lower corner is pretty bent. So, it may be bent because I pried it a little much when I took it off, but it's also likely bent because of, apparently, this used transmission was in an accident. That is likely also why this is broken here, but not likely why the spades are bent. So we are going to go grab the transmission that was original to this car. This car was diagnosed with a neutral safety start switch issue. So the housing down below is actually a big chunk broken off of, which I would assume is related to having an accident or hitting a deer, or who knows. There's a lot of things that hit out on the road. So they welded that chunk back in on the bottom side. I could show you with the camera, it's just really hard to even see it. But when you do get in there with some good light, you can easily see that it's been welded and painted over. So here's your big connector plug. And this is your latch arm. It'll need the latch once you get your connector plug put on there. So we have a bent speed terminal on the connector cover there, as well as not being able to latch your plug, as well as an oil leak. So we will get a hold of the parts we need. Somebody is bringing the transmission as we speak, so we'll see what we can do later on tonight. And hopefully, I was hoping by mid-afternoon today I'd be diving into the wiring, but I am not because of this problem here. So we will patiently proceed. Thought I'd give you guys an update. It's been pretty tough to keep videos up. It's been pretty tough. Let me rephrase. To keep videos up and coming. I've been very busy all summer. But right now, at this point, I'm not incredibly busy. And I'll show you these rust spots. Very strange rust spots. Just gotta wonder why they're there. So, y'all have a good one. And we will be back with more cool stuff.